password?
Yeah.
I text her last night because I forgot the password. Let's see if she let me see if you received. YouTube?
Yeah, they have the YouTube page. Video response.
Oh.
many viewers did you have?
Wow. Let's see. Well, last time, let's see. Today we're just getting right now 70.
70. Early.
Early, but yesterday.
Oh, it tells you. Oh, you know how many views?
This one now got 2,000 views. Now it was 780 viewers.
Okay, at one time.
Yeah, that's what yesterday. This is the first time. See, the problem with it is,
Yeah. Yeah, no matter what it was.
yeah, you gotta go over there.
Well, you can do it now, right?
I just found this location right here. It started 29 minutes.
Oh, okay, good. So people are just online waiting.
Yeah,
49 people.
yeah,
119 people.
for this one, the live. Actually, it's live right now. So this is what they see right now. It looks like, I don't know how many views, how many people watching. I tried to start to make and you just have to deal with whatever you want.
Kept showing up on your feed.
Yeah, I know. 'Cause I subscribe to you.
Don't you have that new page? I have a page for just my page. How many subscribers do you have?
I got less than you. You got more than me.
You have more than me at one time.
Yeah, so now I only have 2,500.
But you're not posting it. That's why.
2,589.
Because you're going live. But you used to post a lot.
I used to post a lot, and
Well, you'll post again for your competition or you're going to go live. When is your competition? Late July?
yeah, that's July.
Right. How big is your competition?
Oh, about
What?
solo. So 2 days.
Oh, just like this one. Right. Oh, it's just so
Yeah.
beginning and advanced.
So
Intermediate, you have 3 categories?
So if so what happens ends about 6 so prelims so today
Is it in the gym?
yeah it's how you feel.
I think I might have. I saw some video you did of Mishka that was really nice, but I thought you did it somewhere else.
No, yeah,
It was
no,
where
yeah,
she was
yeah.
wearing the mask.
Yeah, that was Mishka. This one?
Yeah, is that
Oh, no,
your?
that's not mine. Yeah, that's
The lighting in there was good. Sometimes the high school gym is not that good. Actually, you got a pretty good light right there.
this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the gym.
That's yours?
Yeah.
And that's the way they dance?
That's the
They come out and
they
go?
come up, yeah, they come up here. And some people are the team.
Oh, is that the,
So this is the finals.
so all people have their own drummers?
All the finals are one drummer.
Okay, and then it's just one person.
So all the drummers are sitting around all around.
One person at a time?
Yeah, one person.
So not like here. Good.
One person at a time. And then like this is different group. This is different group.
What's that YouTube bread anyway?
It's like a TV.
I thought it was commercial free.
Yeah, it's commercial free. You have to pay them.
Oh.
So yeah, so with her, she has her own group. So she's dancing in her group. So the group is popular.
Okay.
That's why sometimes the sound is louder from different other.
That happened to me today.
They're so fast.
Shooting pictures when they're out of the frame.
Yeah,
Where are they?
I was actually taking pictures at the same time. So
Yeah, exactly. It's embarrassing.
I know it was
Video on
embarrassing.
the party.
I know.
Very good.
I know. People are mad at me.
I know. The
Yeah.
guy
You know so much more. I try to
But
frame
the
it.
last girl did too. And some people don't move at all. They're like fucking sand. Yeah, we're gonna move.
Yeah, so this is the okay. Here, so this is all I did.
That's the name.
Out of focus. I was using.
The one that threw me off was when they got
Which one was that one? This guy? Yeah. People sometimes don't like it. They like it when they're looking at the fake videos.
Oh yeah, if you're gonna watch your videos, you get people they look at videos and learning moves.
Yeah, I wanna get the same one model as.
That's perfect right there for YouTube. You're gonna watch that because they're gonna want to see the moves. Right there is not bad.
I tried to do that. Yeah, I
Especially
tried.
female. 80% of my 75% of my yeah, here. That's a good thing.
And then
Is that a live stream or is that what is that?
So what happened is my camera stopped.
Oh, because it overheated or what?
Yeah, it overheated, so it stopped right
It's
there.
like my Sony. My Sony overheated.
And that's the thing, I switched over. I switched over to the camera and then I switched it back.
It's very him and the other guy.
That's the one for long shoot.
Oh, I see, because you're working. You can't pan everything. Yeah, then they switched out. See, and what happened is, that still, when she got real close to me, I saw a shadow on her face with the light. Like right out of the light. But you got a pretty decent shot right there.
And I switched over and then
So you can't convert that to YouTube? Oh, so it's on YouTube.
Yeah, it's on YouTube. It's streaming.
1, 2, check. Mic check, 1, 2. Next.
Test 1 2, test 1 2, check 1 2, test 1 2, testing 1 2, test 1 2, test mic check, test.
Check 1, 2, testing, check. Check.
Yeah. Oh. You just press this. Just go back here and then just go back. And then just go. Oh, there.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's going?
Well, it's going right now, but you have to, you don't want to do it right now.
Okay.
Otherwise you're doing it.
You guys brought a lot of people down here. And you have young ones, their parents have to come, right?
Yeah, yeah. You have to come.